So we're gonna show you a model from one of the villas. This is the view from here. That's Delphin Hotel. The beach is from this way. It's walking distance. This is the view from here. We are in the last floor. This is the last floor balcony of last floor, the terrace. So we got here 2 beds, space. We can do a lot of things here. And there is a bathroom from the last floor. We're going down to show you the first floor. First floor has 2 bathrooms with shower. One is separated. And this is the first bedroom. Second bedroom with the dressing room. This has a swimming pool view from here. That's the other 2 villas also for sale. Third bedroom has also swimming pool view. This is the view from here. It's amazing. And we're gonna see the 4th bedroom. It has own bathroom here. There's a bathroom here as well. So till now we have seen 2 bathrooms, 4 bedrooms. We're going down to show the entrance to the villa. So the entrance, it will be from here. Directly there's a bathroom. And this is the kitchen right here. This is American kitchen. Living room. It has a fireplace. There's a balcony here. So the balcony and the garden below to this villa as well. And the pool view from here. Now we're gonna show you from outside. This is the swimming pool right here. This is the second 2 villa as well is here. It's for sale. We are in Antalya, Murat Pasha, Lara, next to the beach. Walking distance to the beach. It's high rental income here. $2,000 monthly. This is the complex. It's all for sale. We got like almost 4 villas here. It's for sale. This is also 2. Each villa have 4 bedrooms. And it's suitable for citizenship as well. It's a good opportunity for investment plan.